Welcome! This week we bring you 2 great ideas to do with the kids. You'll see how much fun they are. Today we make surprise eggs with El Gato rainbow and La Gata moon. We're going to make 2 types of surprise eggs. For the first one we will need salt, flour, water, dye or paint, glitter and small toys. To make an egg we have to add 2 tablespoons of salt and 4 tablespoons of flour. And now we add 2 tablespoons of water and we mix it a little bit until it looks like this, like sand. Now if you have paint or tempera, you can add the equivalent of 2 tablespoons, and if you prefer you can add food dye and add 1 more tablespoon of water, because otherwise it will be too dry. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't done it yet. We are 25k already. Now it's time to knead it. And to avoid staining, I recommend wearing gloves, but it's totally optional. We knead it little by little until it looks like Play-Doh. In fact, you could do the activity up to this point and the kids will love it. But you'll see that with what we're going to do now, it will be even more fun. We put the dough on the table and we put a little toy inside, whichever you want. And now we're going to close it and give it the shape of an egg. It looks like the dinosaur egg we made in the channel some time ago. Do you remember? That recipe was different. We'll leave the video in the description in case you want to see it after this one. We already have the pink Easter egg. Now we're going to make another green one. You can make as many as you want and in all the colors that you like. Once we have the dough, we hide another toy inside as we did before. And that's it. Let us know in the comments which color would you make the eggs. And now we have them! Now let's decorate them with some glitter. We had these cute little stars and we think they're perfect to decorate them. And they have Easter colors, we love them. The kids can decorate them however they like, it's all about having fun. And you know the best thing about the ones that we made? That the paint glows in the dark with a black light. So we have 2 different activities in one, we just couldn't love it more. Now we're just going to let them dry for a couple days. And look, let's open it carefully and surprise! How cool! Surely as they have to wait a few days to open the egg, your kids will forget which toy was in each one and they will be even more excited to open them. And of course, we had to try to open the other one with a black light. Let's see. Here's the turtle. It's a super fun activity, we highly recommend it. And now we're going to show you another way to make a surprise egg that you will also love. But first, we quickly remind you that since we're talking about Easter, we've left 2 free resources on our website that you can download to use with your kids. We'll leave the link in the description of this video. Let's continue. For the second type of surprise egg, we will need water, baking soda, vinegar, and paint. We start by adding 5 tablespoons of baking soda and 2 tablespoons of water. We mix it and add another tablespoon of water. We mix it again and now we add a splash of paint and we mix it well until all the baking soda has the color of the paint. If you liked the video, don't forget to leave us a like. Thank you! Now we add glitter of the colors that we want. And we stir it well. This part is optional, but the effect is really cool. And when we have it with this consistency, we can put on some gloves and knead it a little bit. Here I was seeing that it was too dry, so I added a little bit more water. But you'll see it for yourself. It should be neither too dry nor too wet, so that it can form an egg now. It's very similar to the consistency of kinetic sand. Now we put it in a plate or a container, because if not, when we pour the vinegar it will stain everything. We put a toe inside as we did before, and we give it the shape of an egg. When we have it, we can let it dry a little bit, although this activity also works directly after doing it. And we're going to pour vinegar little by little over the egg. And look at the reaction it creates. The kids love it, and it's normal. Look at how relaxing it is. And little by little, we see that there is something inside. And surprise! It's amazing to see how the toy we put inside is coming out, isn't it? What kind of egg did you like the most? The one with the salt and flour, or the one with the baking soda? We read you! Thank you all for watching our videos. Remember that you have this same video in Spanish on our channel. See you soon!